Welcome, here I've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it because the leveler here is only available in the Pro mode. So let's do it by using the settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to other modes of this camera. Now let's pick the Pro. And here we are. Don't be scared about all of these settings because you can use them also on auto, or I can invite you to my other film where I explain how to use that. Now let's leave it and let's move to the left corner. When we pick this button, we can open the advanced camera settings. From here we have to slide a little bit down to the other category, and now at the second place we have horizontal level, so our leveler that we can turn on by using the button from the right, as you can see, or turn off, and we have short info that this works in Photo Pro mode. Now let's move back to see it, and here at the center it appears, and the leveler is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. As you can see, this is how it works. And when I go back from the Pro mode by tapping on this X here to the standard photo, the leveler here is not appearing. So remember about that if you need to use it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.